my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something really different, something I've never really done on my channel. I'm going to be doing a pack with me, how I pack for a vacation, and I am genuinely packing for a trip. Right now, I'm just kind of showing you the process I go through whenever I'm packing for a trip, kind of how I start planning for it, prepping for it, kind of just like how I pack. This is the last video in my travel series. I hope you guys really liked it. I think I'm gonna do another series in August, so to be announced. Make sure before we get into the video that you are following me on Instagram. I'm always posting on there. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can see when I post, and just keep watching to see how I pack for a vacation. Okay, so the first thing I do in the packing process is kind of make a packing checklist. And this is probably only because I am so list oriented. If you guys watch my videos, like my morning routine, and if you know me as like a person in real life, you would know I'm like always making, I have like multiple different planners and lists. Especially when it comes to packing, I feel like having some sort of checklist is very essential because that way you won't forget anything. And yeah, so I kind of have just like a staple basic packing list, and then I can kind of tweak that based on the trip I'm going on. So I have like an LA packing list, which obviously has like a sub list for the beach or for Disney or, you know, for like my plane bag or whatever. And then I have like a road trip kind of like specific packing list or a concert specific packing list. So I kind of just combined those and made this Chicago packing list, which is both a road trip and a concert kind of packing list. So you can kind of see on here, I just kind of broke it down. So you've got like cosmetic, and then I kind of listed some things out, and I put like, this is gonna go in my hair bag. Wow, can't read my own handwriting. And then I've got like round brush, dryer, flat iron, curling iron. And then I've got like shower bag, and then like some more things listed. And like this is my main actual like suitcase kind of bag. And then I've got like my car bag, concert, just like some, make sure I've got all the stuff for the concert. And then I kind of listed out the clothing items that I'm bringing. Obviously, like you don't have to have it as specific as I do, but just some sort of like general packing list is really great. And physically checking it off is a good idea. That way, after you use it, like the morning you're leaving, after you've already gotten ready, you can kind of go back through your list and be like, oh, makeup, I did leave that out. I need to actually put it back in my bag. That's kind of like the first step of the packing process for me personally. Might be a little extra for some people, but it's for me as somebody who doesn't travel that often. It's not just something that's like ingrained in my brain, like this, and this, I'm good to go. Like I kind of need some sort of list to guide me. So that's usually where I start. And then after that, the next thing I move on to is picking out outfits. I kind of have all my outfits planned out, laid out. You don't want to just bring a whole bunch of random things and figure out your outfits once you get there. I mean, you can, but for me, that like, no, I could never. So I definitely plan out all my outfits ahead of time, make sure I have the correct accessories and shoes and all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna show you like the actual outfits because you're gonna see, if you guys watch my Chicago vlog, you'll see all the actual outfits. I'm gonna be showing my outfits in the vlog. I was gonna wear these shorts, but I'm not sure how the weather's gonna be, so I have a pair of jeans, but they're actually in the wash right now. So I just have a pair of jeans. I might bring a backup pair of jean shorts just in case. This is a short trip, so it doesn't really matter that much, but like whenever I am going to LA, I usually take a couple backup outfits just in case. I just kind of have all of my outfits laid out. I've just got like a top and the shorts, top and the shorts. Here you can see I've got my spandex, so just like any like little things like that. Make sure to just really think about it like as if you're getting dressed, like any of those extra things like spandex, because that is so easy to forget. Again, just kind of like some extra outfits just in case. Like this is one of those outfits I was like, I'm not really sure, I might not like it. So I'm gonna bring a white t-shirt and a pair of jean shorts just in case I don't like that outfit. It doesn't hurt. This takes up like no space in my bag. I also have just kind of like my comfy sleepwear. I don't know, I was debating if this is necessary because these sweatpants do take up like almost more space than like everything, but sometimes hotel rooms can be really cold, and I am staying with a bunch of really hot-blooded people that will want to crank up the AC, and I'm always freezing. So I thought about bringing some sweatpants. So I have like right here, I have a long sleeve kind of comfy shirt, a short sleeve comfy shirt, shorts, and sweatpants. That way I've got like a pajama set in case it's hot or cold. I'm probably just gonna cut out the t-shirt and just have like, but then if it's really hot, I might not want long sleeves. You see my dilemma. While you have the outfits, you want to think about accessories. So lay out your outfits, figure out what shoes, try and double up, like wear shoes multiple times if you can. Like with this outfit, like my preferred shoes might be white Converse, but I might go ahead and just wear black Vans because that's what I can wear this day and this day, and then I only have to bring one pair of shoes, you know what I mean? So yeah, just kind of thinking about that, kind of think about belts, jewelry. I do have a hack here to show you in a second when it comes to jewelry. Okay, so I'm still kind of here with the outfits, trying to figure out like accessories, sunglasses. So after you figure out kind of like jewelry, belts, next you move on to sunglasses, which for some people isn't really a big deal. You just pull out a pair of aviators for the whole week. But for me, it's a little complicated because I'm a little bit obsessed with sunglasses, and I think you have to have the perfect pair for each outfit. How sunglasses can completely change the look. So you've got this like plain black tank top, jean shorts, whatever. You could do these black cat eye sunglasses and, you know, whatever, they're gonna look like that. Or you could do like these retro sunglasses. So like, what do I wanna go for, you know? I make packing a lot harder than it has to be. I think, pack with me. Pack with complicated me. Wait, can I just say really quick that, do you love how I have like this whole entire drawer with like all of this variety of sunglasses, and I'm deciding between these. They're like all the same. Okay, so now I finally figured out my accessories. So I just went ahead and stacked up all of my outfits, obviously starting with most recent to the last one I'm gonna wear with like my pajamas and stuff in the middle. Here are my accessories. I've got my belts, and here is my travel hack for jewelry. So I just have this little bag to keep kind of like my earrings and rings and that sort of thing in. And then when it comes to necklaces, I use a straw. So this is a thick straw from Earth Cafe, and I have to use this thick one just because it has like these little charms. But obviously you can see here, I just put my necklace halfway inside of the straw and then clasped it on the outside. And that'll just prevent the necklace from getting tangled up, obviously, during travel. So that's my little hack for jewelry. I had these other thick kind of like smoothie straws I just kind of did the same thing with. I usually try and put it on the tightest kind of like clasp, and that'll just kind of help it from getting tangled. So yeah, that's just like really good. Obviously, I usually have a straw for each necklace, but you can try and kind of like combine them. So next up, I'm just going into my bathroom and gathering up kind of like all my skincare. Don't forget about little things like little cotton pads or any of those kind of like random things. So anything that I have a travel size of, I'm gonna take a travel size of. But if not, it's really not that big of a deal because I'm not having to deal with plane regulations since I'm just road tripping. But obviously you wanna save space. So if you have a travel size, take the travel size. So currently, a little update in the packing process. I've just kind of gotten all my skincare out, so you can kind of see all my skincare kind of right here. I have these little Clinique eye makeup remover things. You get them for free when you do something, whatever, spend a certain amount in a little gift bag. But anyways, and I always go through them and I use the container. So this one I put a little note that says toner, so hopefully I remember and I don't put toner on my eyes to remove my makeup. There's like kind of my skincare, sort of. That's not really skincare. Shower stuff over here, and then I've got kind of like my hair stuff over here. So now I'm just gonna kind of go and find some little travel bags, kind of like those, to kind of put these in little designated bags, and then kind of see where I'm working with, and then kind of like put it in the actual big bag. Okay, so right here, I've just got this white leather bag. It's actually from Moroccan Oil. In here, I just have kind of like all of my hair stuff, actually. So I love how I just packed this, and I'm gonna unpack it. But I've got like this Redken smooth stuff I put in my hair when it's wet. Just kind of helps it be smooth. It's a 10. I've got hair clips, I've got a brush, some hair ties, lotion. This is kind of big and bulky. I thought about just like putting it in like a travel size thing, but I was just like, whatever. So I'm gonna use that. I'm not really a big lotion person, but I feel like it helps with my tan, just helping it look better and last longer. And then I'm also gonna put my shaving cream in there with my shower stuff, and then also my deodorant. So I figured usually like if I'm doing all of my wet hair stuff, which is like all of this stuff is what I do when my hair's wet, I'm gonna be using it after I get out of the shower. So that's why I kind of put my shower stuff with my hair stuff. All of the big stuff like this round brush and my straightening iron and my hair dryer, and I don't have my curling iron because I know I'm going to use it tomorrow morning. All of that stuff can just go in my bag because it doesn't really need to go in its own little bag. Any like pills or anything that I take, I usually put with my skincare because I do it at night after I do all my skincare, so I usually put it in there with that. Okay, so I usually just use, I have a bunch of these little Clinique bags. Again, they just do these special things where if you spend like $100 or $75 more, I'm not really sure what it is, but it's every couple months. If you spend like a certain amount, then you get like all these free sample size products, and I just like use that time to like stock up on all my Clinique skincare, and then I get like one of these bags and all these like travel size of products I already use. So I have literally a million of these bags, but they're great for travel. So I'm just gonna put all my skincare in this one because these are all like liquid containers that could maybe not easily spill because they all have pretty like tight things. I'm still going to put them all in a Ziploc bag inside of here because we don't want all of this spilling on our clothes. That would be a disaster. Whenever packing, I just kind of think through my actual routine. So I think, okay, I'm taking my eye makeup off. I'm going to take some eye makeup remover. I'm going to take some cotton pads. Okay, I've got my eye makeup remover off. I'm going to take some face cleaner. Okay, I've got that off. I'm going to take some toner, some moisturizer, some Glossier serums, which I'm kind of worried that these could break because they're all in glass bottles. That in here, skincare packs. Okay, so I've got like most of that, like kind of little random stuff packed up. I've got my skincare. I ended up putting my shower stuff in its own separate bag. And then I've got my hair stuff there, my other stuff, hair stuff there. So now I need to pack up all of my makeup. I also need to do like my bras, underwear. That stuff's pretty easy though. See how much makeup I'm actually packing. I've got this like Glossier bag, which is really nice. It's like bubble wrapped. I might just use this to put my palettes in and then put the rest of my makeup in here. Usually I use this to put all my makeup in. Again, I just got this bag at one of those. It was at like a beauty supply store. I don't know if they were just giving these away or how I got like so many of these little bags, but it's like a tri or a double duo level. I don't know. There's like two levels. So the bottom part is like really big and has like a huge portion, and then the top is like a little part too. So I usually put like divided up between face makeup and eye makeup or something like that. So I don't know. We're just gonna see what I need to take, which again, a lot of this can be done in the morning because I'm gonna have to take it all out for the morning anyways, but I'm probably gonna do really simple makeup like I have on right now. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pack everything because I'm gonna take more makeup than what I'm actually gonna wear tomorrow. That makes sense. I usually bring a dark foundation and a light foundation just because with fake tan, you kind of have to use a little bit of both because you're not really sure, you know, by the third or fourth day, your foundation, your color, your tan is gonna be a lot lighter than the first day. So I'm gonna bring both of those. I feel like I don't normally put my foundations in its own bag. Maybe I'm just used to doing this because I fly. Really funny because as of editing this, I have like the same exact makeup look going on and I'm wearing the same shirt. As of editing this, this is a few days after the vacation, and I just have to say I never put foundation in Ziploc bags like I did in this video. Like every time I go to LA, I mean, I guess I sort of do because I usually fly and like you have to put all your liquids in a bag. So I guess I sort of do, but once I get to where I'm going, I usually take them out of the Ziploc bag and just put them in my makeup bag. But for some reason, I just really felt the need to put all of my liquid makeup products like the foundation in a Ziploc bag, which I never do. And I got home and one of my foundations exploded in the Ziploc bag, and the Ziploc bag was like not filled with foundation, but a lot of it spilled out, and all of my makeup would have been covered with MAC and W10 if I wouldn't have put it in a Ziploc bag. So that's never happened to me before, but for some reason I just felt the need to do a Ziploc bag. So I just wanted to say that maybe do put your foundations in some sort of like, even if it's just one of those little Ziploc bags that don't even zip. I definitely recommend that because I've never had one explode and leak out like that. I also had a tanner leak out. I had lots of things leak out. I just feel like it's necessary. Okay, highlighter. This is hard. Which one do I want to bring? Does this feel empty? Oh yeah, I literally don't even know what I'm doing for the concert. Oh, this is so stressful. Okay, makeup is done. I think I have a problem. That's all my makeup. Those are my palettes, and then also this one. It's not including my makeup brushes, so yeah, I think I might have a problem here. We'll see. Anyways, I really probably don't need all these palettes. I'm probably gonna take some of those out. We can really get into the good stuff. I've got the suitcase out. I've got all my clothes here. I'm gonna see if I have some extra room, if I can just do a duffel bag, but highly doubt it, but we'll see. I just grabbed some underwear and bras and everything here. I've got some socks. I'm gonna go down and grab my shoes in a second. I've checked off almost everything on my list. Okay, I think this is a good angle, so hopefully. Okay, so clothes. It's always what I personally start with. Oh, great. That's wonderful. This is where you reevaluate. I think this bag extends, so we're gonna go ahead and put it. There we go. We extended the bag. Oh, that's fine. It's not a very good sign if the first thing you put in your bag, you already have to expand it. So let's go ahead and put the makeup in there. Oh my gosh, this bag is so small. And I forgot about shoes, and I am full of space. Okay, so I kind of forgot about these boots that I'm bringing and my other shoes. So in order to make space for the shoes, I ended up having to take this little bag as well to put my hair, skincare, and other stuff in. This is so embarrassing. I am literally so bad at packing. So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if it was all over the place. Like I said, I am genuinely packing for a vacation, so super stressed and just really trying to figure out what I'm packing. So this was just like obviously like my main luggage, not like my like carry-on or anything, although I did do a what's in my carry-on if you want to see that. I hope you guys loved my travel series. I love doing it. It was so fun kind of having a theme to my videos. I really liked it. I think I'm going to do a similar one in August. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.